British Aerospace is civil aviation, serving the world's commercial and private operators with the products of 70 years of design and manufacturing expertise. A pathfinder and pace-setter in the continuing search for excellence in performance and passenger comfort, from wide bodies to supersonic services. British Aerospace is military aviation, meeting the major requirements in training, support, reconnaissance and strike roles, providing Britain's and Allied air forces with ever more inventive and effective aircraft, from all-weather swing-wing supersonics to unique V-style versatility. British Aerospace is defense weapons systems, a devastatingly effective and comprehensive range of land, sea and air-launched missile systems, a powerful and potent force in the protection of peace. British Aerospace is space technology, a major participant as prime contractor or contributor to the great international communications and scientific space projects. British Aerospace is collaboration and support, unsurpassed in experience of international ventures, from concept to manufacture, providing support for all its products in over 60 countries, most notably in its assistance to friendly nations to safeguard their national security. British Aerospace is people. Over 70,000 of them at home and abroad, working on new programs, supporting and improving existing ones. It is their skills and experience invested in high technology that makes British Aerospace a highly profitable national asset. British Aerospace, an all-round world leader in aerospace technology, unequaled in its range of products,